All right, thanks to everybody on YouTube for the comments. I'm getting rid of my cardboard that I use to roll around on the concrete doing automotive DIY fix-it stuff. All right. Fix it, fix it, fix it. And the issue I had with my creeper on the driveway, the concrete on the driveway. Okay. Fix it, fix it, fix it. The solution you guys told me was basically a yoga mat that is waterproof, that I can get oil on and everything. So just ordered this off of Amazon, about 40 bucks. This will work. Oh yeah. Fix it, fix it, fix it.